Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to password protect an Excel file. First of all, open the Excel workbook you want to protect. Then go to the File tab in the top left corner and select the Info option on the left panel. On the right side, under Protect Workbook, control what types of changes people can make to this workbook. After that, click on the Protect Workbook button. Then choose Encrypt with Password or require a password to open this workbook. At this point, insert the password. Keep in mind that if you lose or forget this password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Passwords are case sensitive. Click OK and re-enter the password to confirm. Now, when you close the workbook and try to reopen it, it will prompt you for the password. Enter the password you set, and you are good to go. Please note that setting a password for your Excel workbook adds a layer of security, but it is important to keep the password in a safe place to avoid any issues. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.